Hey there, fellow kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to Floorland, your ultimate guide to all things flooring and interior design. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for every home chef and design enthusiast: common kitchen design mistakes. Whether you're planning a kitchen remodel or just looking to improve your current space, avoiding these pitfalls can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll discuss 5 common kitchen design mistakes and provide practical solutions to help you achieve the perfect kitchen. So, let's dive right in and transform your kitchen into a culinary haven. Mistake 1: inadequate storage. The first common kitchen design mistake we often see is inadequate storage. A cluttered kitchen not only looks messy but also affects functionality and organization. If you find yourself struggling with limited storage space, fear not. There are several solutions to maximize storage efficiency. Consider installing tall cabinets that utilize vertical space, incorporating pull-out drawers and shelves for easy access to pots, pans, and pantry items, and utilizing wall-mounted racks or hooks for hanging utensils and cookware. Mistake 2: poor lighting. Another common mistake is poor lighting in the kitchen. Insufficient or inadequate lighting can make tasks like food prep, cooking, and cleaning more challenging and less enjoyable. Luckily, there are simple fixes to brighten up your kitchen. Consider incorporating dimmable options to adjust lighting intensity according to your needs and mood. With proper lighting, your kitchen will not only look brighter but also feel more welcoming and functional. Mistake 3: lack of counter space. A lack of counter space is another common frustration in kitchen design. Whether you enjoy meal prep or simply need space for appliances and cooking essentials, having sufficient counter space is essential. If your kitchen feels cramped, there are creative solutions to maximize counter space. Utilize wall-mounted shelves or racks for storing items vertically and keep countertops clutter-free. By creating more usable counter space, you'll improve workflow and efficiency in the kitchen. Mistake 4: poor traffic flow. Poor traffic flow is another common issue that can disrupt the functionality and comfort of your kitchen. A kitchen layout that creates bottlenecks or obstacles can hinder movement and make cooking and entertaining a challenge. Let's explore ways to improve traffic flow in your kitchen. Start by evaluating the work triangle, the path between the sink, stove, and refrigerator, and ensure it's unobstructed and efficient. Mistake 5: neglecting personal style. Last but not least, neglecting personal style is a common design mistake that can result in a kitchen that lacks character and reflects your personality. Your kitchen should be a reflection of your unique style and preferences. Let's discuss ways to infuse personal style into your kitchen design. Start by choosing colors, materials, and finishes that resonate with your aesthetic preferences. Whether it's sleek and modern, cozy and rustic, or vibrant and eclectic, incorporate personal touches such as artwork, decorative accessories, and family heirlooms to add warmth and personality to the space. And there you have it, folks, 5 common kitchen design mistakes and practical solutions to create the perfect kitchen. Whether you're addressing storage challenges, improving lighting, maximizing counter space, optimizing traffic flow, or infusing personal style, these tips will help you design a kitchen that's functional, stylish, and tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on interior design and home improvement. And as always, happy designing and cooking in your perfect kitchen.